I've always loved being a mom. My dream, my childhood dream was to have a lot of kids, have a big home, because I'm from a big family, but we've never been too close. So I wanted a tight knit family. So I currently have two kids, but I felt like I can give my love to a lot of kids out there. So I started a childcare service, which I run from my house. So my house is always full of kids. There's never a day where I don't have someone screaming, crying, laughing, or hitting a milestone growing up. So that's basically what I do, what I find joy in. There's always love in my house. There's always kids laughing. And that's basically the joys of being a parent. There are challenges. It's a whole lot of things, but you need a village to do that, and that's how I came up with this my business of doing childcare, where I can have anyone coming to me and be a village. It's giving out love into the world, being kind to parents out there, helping them the same way I need the help. Because I know how challenging parenting is, especially if you're a single mom doing it all on your own, not having anyone to rely on. So it's best you go out there, ask for help wherever you can. It doesn't mean when you ask for help you are not capable of raising your own child, but you still need a little village of your own to help you make the world a better place.